Hello everyone. So today is Friday and we are going to cook lasagna al forno, and yeah, come join with me. Yeah, right? So we are going to heat our pan first, and then we have here anyway our ingredients for lasagna soup al forno are bacon, red onion, celery, carrots. So we have here bay leaves, garlic, and the rosemary. So yeah, I think it's hot and it's ready. So we are going to put our bacon. I chopped my big bacon in a small pieces. So do it like this. A little bit of olive oil. Put my bay leaf. So now I'm putting the bay leaf, garlic, and the rosemary to give smell in it. So ayan, I put bacon in here, and the bay leaf, and garlic, and the rosemary. So we need to wait this until it will get brown before we'll put our veggies. Ayan. So we are now going to put our vegetables, carrots, and the celery. This one. And our onion. This one. Fine in there. And we are going to stir it in 5 minutes, so the vegetable will be at least cooked. And wait for 5 minutes, and then we're going to put our meat. So ganyan, and it looks so beautiful colors, right? Smells great. I can smell the rosemary and the bacon. I think I'm so hungry on this. So while waiting this to be ready, we are going to clean our kitchen. Ta-da! Look at that. So I think this is ready, and we are going to put the vegetable aside to get ready for the meat. Just like this. I'm going to put this pork, minced pork. Like that. And then beef. Minced beef, I'm going to put it in there. It should be like that. I'll show you. So like that. So eto, you need to mix it until it will get brown. Or let's see, almost cooked, and then can mix it together. So for me, this is perfect, and now we are going to mix them all together and give it a good stir. so the mixture will soak in to the vegetables as well. So at least we need to wait for 10 minutes to cook the meat and less water as well before we are going to put our some ingredients. But before that, I think I will be going to put pepper on it. If you want pepper, you can put more of it, like me. Some and Hannah like pepper, so I'm going to add a little bit of it. Every Friday, nagluluto ako ng pagkain nila. So ayan, let's wait for another 5 minutes to let the water. So by the way, I forgot to mention about the nutmeg. So I'm going to put nutmeg on it. I'm using this one. I put half of it, so later I'm going to use it in a white sauce also. Safe, safe, safe. Smells great. So it should be like that. And I think it's time to put our lentils. Because we don't have wine, I will just leave it like this. And we are going to put our 2 cans of lentils. Going to put like this. And 2 cans of lamb. And 2 cans of water. And then mix it. And put it in a medium and cook it until the water will last. So let's wait for 1 hour and then we'll check. But at least check it from time to time. Pag wala na yung tubig, pag ano na yung tubig, then I think it's fine. So while waiting this to be ready, we are going to prepare our white sauce also. So we are going to prepare our white sauce also while waiting for this to be finished. So in a medium heat, I'm going to put butter on it. I think that's enough. And then we're going to put our leek. And a little bit of our onion. What onion? I think that's enough. And then 4 spoons of flour. And we are going to stir this one until the flour will get cooked. So when you put the milk, it will not be so lumpy. And at this point, it should be like this. We are going to put 1 liter of milk. So this one I blended, but it's not necessary. It's up to you if you want to blend it or not. But for me, I want to blend it a bit. And now we are going to put our parmesan, grated parmesan. Simply lang. Also, you can put herbs if you want. You can put oregano on it. So I put half of it and 100 grams of grated parmesan. See, it looks, smells, sounds delicious. So our sauce is done already, and our white sauce. And now we are going to put a little bit here before putting the lasagna. Then this one, put some on the top. So ayan, we layer that. Should be like that. And then later we're going to put a little bit of cheese on the top. So eto naman is aubergine. Gagawin din natin yung layers katulad ng lasagna, pero aubergine ang gagamitin natin. And then we'll bake it for 40 minutes. Yay! Almost done. So ayan, it's almost done. For 40 minutes, I think it's fine. So ayan, our cooking is already finished, and I'm going to show you what does it looks like. Yay! Ayan. So this is lasagna al forno, and this is aubergine bake. So I hope they will like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you did like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and please don't skip the ads. Bye. See you next time.